my favorite part of taking like an Uber is those short conversations you have with them. Where are you from? Georgia. Georgia.
The Georgia.
Brazza.
Why you have to say Georgia, bro?
Most of them are from Georgia.
Bro.
And they're like, Brazza, where from? And then I'm like, Rwanda. Rwanda?
You don't want those conversations.
I miss them. I would miss them.
Bro,
You don't have that
imagine
inside
Elon
robot.
implemented those small talks on the robot. Now you're gonna have a fully automated person creating those small talks. Welcome to Inspektv. My name is Nate.
My name is Pius, and this is the Timeless Talks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Welcome back to Timeless Talks.
How you doing, man? How you doing?
I'm doing great.
How have
bro.
you been?
I'm doing good. This has been a long 2 weekends, right? We haven't filmed for 2 weeks.
It's been a break.
It's been a while.
An autumn break.
Yeah, an autumn break.
Autumn
bro.
break. Bracing for the winter. But yeah, I've been doing good. How have you been?
It's been good, bro.
Yeah.
It's been good. We've been moving in this winter.
And trust me, it's not getting cold yet.
It's not getting cold, bro.
Yeah, I've also been great. Traveled a bit to Denmark.
Bro, how was it?
Denmark is good. It's a chill place for, I think, old people, but for young people, I don't think it's the best place.
Really?
Yeah, it's so dull. Just the transport there is
Where
crazy.
were you though?
I was in the capital, Copenhagen.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you're watching us from Copenhagen, I was there, my guy. I was there, and it was chill. But Warsaw is better.
Warsaw is better.
Way better. Way
Okay.
better. Yeah.
You see? Guys, come to Warsaw, man.
Yeah, man. And by the way, before we continue, we want to thank you so much for watching our videos.
Yes.
Thank you so much for making Timeless Talks on your calendar. So guys, just continue watching.
Yeah.
Subscribe right now. Like our video and brace up for more content.
Of course, man. Like the support have been there. Thank you, friends, families, everybody for watching. Let's kick out this podcast, right, bro?
Yeah, definitely. So, we've been doing a lot of what should I call them? Hot topics, getting into people and scandals, especially sexual ones. People might take us for perverts or something.
Yeah, bro. Like the past 2 episodes.
We've
been through.
We talked about a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
So we want to prove to these people that we can actually talk about serious stuff.
Serious stuff, bro. Like serious stuff.
Yeah, really timeless stuff.
This is timeless stuff.
Yeah. So to talk about serious stuff, Elon Musk,
bro. He's trying to take our jobs. Man.
Elon Musk.
He's coming to take the Uber driver job.
Yeah.
The cooking, cleaning jobs, bro.
I don't know about you, but most of my friends do Uber.
Yeah.
And Bolt, and their jobs are at stake right now,
bro.
Yeah. Because this guy brought up, trying to innovate and create something called cyber buses.
Yeah, the buses and the cars.
And
it's crazy,
cyber
bro.
cabs, yeah. Self-driven, 20-seater or even a normal taxi.
Yeah.
And takes you anywhere.
And it looks weird, right?
They always look weird. I don't know.
Bro, it looks weird.
Every
The
Tesla
bus looks weird.
First of all, talking about the design, when he did the Cybertruck,
Yeah.
that thing looks like, I don't know,
A fridge.
a fridge.
It's like Samsung fridge, bro. it's a fridge on wheels, bro.
I know, bro. His design is off. I don't know why he likes that silver fridge looking.
Yeah, I think they're trying to make the futuristic designs, like the previous designs. They are always with the curves and stuff, like trying to make it a little bit eco-friendly and stuff. But now the future is about angular stuff, like
symmetry.
Yeah, it have to be angular. Like if you see the phones,
but where are they getting from? Because people like curves.
Yeah, but they're trying to.
We're talking about curves. Car.
Bro, don't get.
Yeah, you like curves. Yeah,
You're trying to get up to the previous topics.
I mean, I think old habits die hard, bro. Yeah, but like curvy, like Range Rover, or Bentley. All those things have some curves,
bro.
Is it just?
Yeah. These are just like, bro. If it got you, like you're getting cut in half, bro. Like you're getting cut in half, bro.
Let me ask you though, man.
Yeah.
The curves and all that aside, do you really think the world in general is ready for self-driving cars?
I don't think so. Not right now. Maybe in 10 years we'll be ready.
Because in USA there are already Ubers.
But they look crazy, right?
They look crazy,
with different cameras, like they're not seamless.
And you're
like,
seeing a wheel turn itself around.
Yeah, a wheel turn itself around. Even the Elon Musk thing doesn't have wheels.
It doesn't have wheels. Doesn't have pedals.
Yeah, it doesn't have
all
pedals.
automated.
Yeah.
But
they call it the level 3.
Let me tell you. Let's be honest, bro. We're both from Africa. In Africa, we use more of even indicators. You don't work. You have to like you need to shout to someone.
Those manual manual stuff, right?
Yeah, it's more of manual.
Yeah, it's more of manual.
And now, if you bring your own, I don't know, automated cyber cab,
bro, it's not looking good for us, bro.
And,
but nobody, I don't think. Will you ride with that? Do you trust the innovation right now?
I think I would. If there's a lot of stuff that needs to be worked on, like especially on the infrastructure, the roads, and a lot of other stuff.
Yeah.
But once it's all implemented, I mean, it's more like it's fancy, man. It's fancy just sitting there and being driven. And plus, if we trust people, why cannot we trust a computer?
Of course.
Yeah,
bro. The one thing that creeps me out from that presentation was the robots. But bro,
someone said it looked like this Will Smith movie. Is it iRobot?
Yeah, the iRobot. That it looks exactly the same, bro.
Yeah, and someone was like, let's hope then they're better.
Bro, the robots are on the bars, like serving drinks and stuff. Like if you see in the videos, it's crazy, man.
Yeah, but trust me, I'll trust a robot with the drink because when you go to maybe a cocktail, it always fluctuates. The test's not the same with the person.
But now it's gonna be accurate, right?
Accurate,
accuracy
on point, man. 2 shots are 2 shots.
Yeah. If you're getting scammed, you'll get scammed everywhere.
Yeah,
because it's accurate.
There's like a system damage or something like that.
Bro, it's crazy.
So if the system crashes, no drinks.
No drinks, bro. No drinks. Imagine the system failure.
So what is going to happen with the jobs, like people who were Uber drivers, bartenders? What are they going to do now?
I think they're safe for now. Like in the next maybe 2-3 years, they're safe. Yeah, because they're trying to implement it in the US either ways, right? Like probably one state at a time or one district at a time.
My favorite part of taking like an Uber is those short conversations you have with them. Where are you from? Georgia. Georgia.
The Georgia. Why you have to say Georgia, bro?
Most of them are from Georgia.
Bro.
And they're like, Braza, where from? And then I'm like, Rwanda. Rwanda?
You don't want those conversations.
I miss them. I would miss them.
Bro, you don't imagine Elon implemented those small talks on the robot. Now you're gonna have a fully automated person creating those small talks. It's crazy though.
I'm trying to imagine that.
Bro, he's trying to make it everything like human, right? Why not create the small talks?
Let's see how that would work.
Yeah.
Welcome aboard. My name is Siri, because most of them Alexa.
Alexa.
Your journey is going to be 20 minutes. You need small talks, press 1.
Yeah, press 1.
You need advice, press 2.
Bro, they're gonna make us pay for no small talks.
Oh, man.
$2.99 for no small talks. Because that's the most requested feature. Why not make it a payment, bro?
I think we need at this point, we need to get paid for this. We're giving innovation.
Yeah.
And by the way, you see how iPhone always modifies? So there'll be like modifications. So that would be like Cyber Bus Pro Max or something.
Pro Max to the Pro Max. Yeah.
Anyway.
Anyways, bro, this is not even the most craziest thing is happening in this world, right?
And tell me the crazier one,
bro. We are starting to order sunlights now. Now, people they may think that I'm crazy. I'm talking bullshit. You can look it up for yourself. But now what was the company name, bro?
It's called Reflect Orbit.
Yeah, Reflect Orbit. So they're trying to send satellites into space, like different satellites with the like reflection stuff, right? So what they're trying to do is So at night it gets dark, right? So you're gonna go to the orbit something to the application, put your address, pay up some delivery stuff. Then you can you can literally order a light. Like you can order a light, and that satellite will reflect the sunlight to your house, like on the spot.
Let me ask you, does that guy know that there's something called a bulb? A torch?
Bro,
lamp?
the reason they gave for this is we have like solar panels, right? Solar components. So they're gonna make those solar components work even at night.
Yeah, like 24 hours.
24 hours, like they're gonna have energy. So I don't know how it's gonna happen. It really surreal. I don't know. What do you think, bro?
In the beginning, God created day and separated it from night.
Now they're trying to
make it. I know.
Bro.
Some of us actually enjoy night.
Bro,
now
technology is like literally putting apart the spiritual sense.
Trying to
yeah, like,
go against nature.
No daylight, like they're trying to make it everything artificial. Like it's crazy.
But now, let me ask you. Just imagine this, right? So you have this odd sunlight. First of all, I don't think it's going to happen. It sounds crazy.
It sounds crazy for
but
me.
Imagine it happens. You're my neighbor. It's like, I don't know, 3 a.m. in the night.
Yeah.
I'm trying to sleep. And for you, for some reason, you want to order the sun. You feel like you need some sunlight. And then you order it. And the whole place lights up, right? Because I don't think it can just come from, one specific
I think
place.
they can do it like you will have a square meter of like you can put your
but whatever the size it has, it could not. It's a bit big.
Yeah, it could leak.
It cannot be one window.
It would leak. Obviously, it would leak. The lights will leak. Obviously, right? Like you can see it. Like you can see it.
So what time will that be called? Is that 3 a.m. at night?
Bro, I don't know what type of law will be implemented in this type of stuff. Like
when I had that thing, I remembered all the silly theories I used to have about science. There's a time in my life I wanted to be a scientist as well. And I wanted to prove like a theory. And let me tell you that
you wanted to be a scientist?
Yeah.
Where are you now?
I'm a podcaster.
Bro, life take you places, bro.
Let me tell you this theory I had, right? I was told that the world is, circular, right? And because it's circular, if, like, for example, a plane flew in one direction and it would come back to the same direction because it would, circulate.
It would orbit, yeah.
So although it would be moving in a straight line, it would just circulate and come back to the same place. So then I thought a bit. I was like, okay, if a plane can travel one direction and come back to the same place, imagine you went to like the top, the highest point on the world. That's like on the peak of Everest.
Yeah.
And then you had like big binocular glasses, like you could see limitless. And then you go in one direction, so your sight will go, and it will come back, and you'll see the back of your head. Right? Right?
What are you trying to do with that knowledge, bro? Like, cut your hair? Shape up the back.
Like, people who shape themselves really struggle with the mirrors and all that. Just go to Everest. Do this. So maybe we should get a scientist to
invest in that. That's an amazing logic, though. Will it happen though?
if you can order sunshine, I think mine is more realistic.
Yeah, of course, man. Now anything is possible. Now, bro, if you can cut down the small talks on the Uber, anything is possible.
Wow, this has been a crazy. I think hearing what we've been talking, you and I, we should just focus on anything else but tech. Cause we're still analog.
We're still analog, bro.
And we like it that way.
Bro, hopefully they won't come for our jobs, right?
I hope they won't get like a
podcaster, robot, or
Tesla,
something.
man, Elon Musk. Do not come for cyber.
Yeah, but they cannot replace us. Like
I know the emotional intelligence part of it is not
like We're timeless dogs.
We're timeless dogs.
We're timeless dogs.
Yeah, man. So guys, subscribe, view this, and share it, and keep us in business.
Keep us in business, bro. Keep us in business.
Yeah, man. Do you have anything else to share with me?
No,
or we call it a day?
Yeah, we call it a day.
We call it a day?
Yeah, we call it a day.
All right, man, guys. Until next time.
Till next time.
Peace
Please share, like, subscribe. Thank you for the support.
Hey, comment and tell us.
Yeah, comment.
What do you think about this crazy thing?
Yeah, what do you think about this crazy thing? We'll come up with the crazy videos.
Exactly.
Like always. Yeah. Guys, have a good one. Bye-bye.
Sign out.
Sign out.
Guys, let me think. Man, crazy points.
Thank you.